Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Suri Prakash. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys the 5 best alternatives of the TextNow application. If you guys are already, watching my content regularly, then you would have already known that I have a video showing you guys the 10 best alternative apps for the TextNow 2023. But this was uploaded, as you can see the date in my screen, it was uploaded 30 August 2023. And because of the reviews which you guys gave me and because of the suggestions, I went through all of these applications and found out that a lot of these applications right now have become either paid, or because of this update of TextNow TextNow's latest update 2023, which not only affects the TextNow application, but it is actually a law passed by the US government, which actually affects all of the virtual number applications. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys 5 applications which has not yet been affected by this law, or even if it has been affected, you could still make use of these applications. So this is actually a I am not having the exact word to define this, but it's actually a curated video, especially for you Protech Genius audience who uh, wanted this on the TextNow's alternatives and what to use and stuffs. So guys, in this video, I'll be showing you 5 applications from the worst to the best. So I hope you guys watch this video until the end, so that you get to know about all the 5 applications and the reasons why I am recommending these 5 applications for the alternatives of TextNow. And among out of the 100 or 200 applications out there, I chose the best 5 for you guys especially. Okay, so watch this video until then. So guys, before moving on to the video, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button in order to receive regular daily updates of the technical news and the events happening in the technological world, and about the let's say problem solving stuffs. If you go through my channel, you will find a lot of videos about the problems which you may face in the technological field and ways to solve it, and you'll also be able to see a lot of videos regarding the virtual number series, and I bet it's going to help you. So the reasons we take that why we're moving away from the TextNow application may be because of these 4 problems. Number 1 is the TextNow's installation problem, which when you try to install the TextNow application in either a Google Play Store or the App Store, you'd get an error like this stating that this app isn't available on Google Play in your region. I am using an Android device, so this is from a Google Play Store page. The second error is the TextNow sign up error, which happens when you're trying to sign up in the TextNow application. That is, the TextNow is unavailable in your country. Well, this is a pretty much common error, and this is actually solvable. Now the third error is the error which occurs when you're trying to choose your own local phone number. This error is the area code error. Just imagine after successfully passing the 2 steps, and when you're trying to choose your own local phone number, you get this error. You'd have to if you go inside the TextNow application, you'd have to choose your own local phone number. It's one of the amazing features given to you by TextNow, which enables you to choose an US or Canada number entirely for free, with which you'll be able to make unlimited calling and texting. There are ads, but it's still free if you're within the US or Canada. If you're trying to make calls within the US or Canada, it's best for the cold calling stuffs. But if you're making international calls, they also give you free, not free, but cheap international calls. Now the fourth and the final error which occurs in the TextNow application is going to be the your account has been disabled error. Even after successfully completing the 3 steps, you would receive this error showing you that your account has been disabled. Right from after 3 years after creation till within a week, you'd receive this error. There are ways you can make or stop yourself from receiving this error, but most of you would receive this error, and even when you submit an appeal, you would not be given a reply or something. If you're ready to put in the hard work, if you're ready to put in the effort, and you do not want to still you are half-minded and do not want to move on to the alternatives or TextNow, go watch this video. This video's link will be in the description and the first comment. I'll pin the first comment, so go watch this video. This video will help you to solve all the 4 problems I showed you before. This video will navigate you to the few of the relevant videos, which will help you a lot. Okay, so I'm telling you guys, if you are half-minded, Still, TextNow is one of the best applications. It enables you to make unlimited calls. Even the 5 applications I'm going to show you, few of them allows free unlimited calling, and few of them do not. Few of them are specialized for making social media accounts such as WhatsApp and Telegram, which is not possible in TextNow right now because of the, I mean, they has made the OTP receiving feature as a paid feature. So this video I curated the 5 top applications based on all the factors. I consider all the factors from making cold calling stuff still making social media accounts. Okay, so but if you are half-minded and you want to use TextNow, then go use TextNow. You could still now, even now you are able to solve the problems. So go solve the problems and use the TextNow application. If you're still here and you want to take a look at the alternatives for TextNow, then fine. The first alternative to TextNow is going to be the second lane. Remember guys, I told you I'm going to show you the apps in the worst to the best order. So in the 5th position, it's going to be second line, which is also an application from TextNow, which is only available for Android. I'm not going to give you an in-depth review or something. If you want to watch if you want an in-depth review of each of these applications, then I have posted an in-depth reviews especially for you product genius audience. So I leave this video's link in the also in the description and the first comment. I urge you to go watch, I mean, before quitting this video, go take a look at the comment section. There are going to be a lot of interesting videos link in the comment section. It's definitely going to help you. So I will be glad if you could just go take a look at the comment section. Now, if I would have to give a brief summary of the second line application, the second line application, like I told before, is from the same TextNow corporation, and it has the same 4 errors which occurs in the TextNow application. But the reason why I included this application in the list is that it's from the same TextNow application and TextNow corporation, and they provide you the same features such as free local phone number and free unlimited calling and texting, etc. If you are able to solve the problems and use it, it's still going to be a good application. But overall, if you go watch my review, you would understand what are the real problems in this application. But if you are lazy and you're not going to watch it, then it's not my problem, it's your wish. Now moving on to the 4th application. The 4th application is going to be an application known as TextMe. The reason I included this in the 4th is that this application has a lot of it has a lot of stupid ads. If you would have to say, I do not want to use swear words in this video. So the TextMe application is actually a pretty good application if you are ready to spend money. The reason why I included this in the list is because if you're ready to pay, this is a very pretty good application, and there are no errors like the errors which occurs in the TextNow second line. That's the main reason I included this in the list. If you want to learn more about this, like all the videos, I have posted a review especially for this, and if you want the comparisons too, it's fine. I have made a comparison video between the TextMe and TextNow application. Not only that, but I have made a comparison video with all of these applications with the TextNow application. So I urge you guys to go take a look at my channel. I'll not it's not possible for me to post all the videos link in the description and the first comment. So go check out my channel. Okay. Now the 3rd application in this list is going to be an application known as Talkatone. Again, this has the same errors such as this item is not available in your country error, and few sign up errors, etc. But still, compared to TextNow, the errors in this application is actually easily solvable, and the user interface in this application is actually pretty good. Just take a look at this. They give you a free number, and you'll be able to change your free number anytime, and you'll be able to make unlimited calling and texting within the US and Canada. Once again, there are few paid and free features available. You can just go install this application and take a look at yourself. You'll be able to get a free phone number, and you'll be able to make calls using Wi-Fi data if you are within the US and Canada. Once again, with this application. Okay, now in the second position, the application which takes the second position is going to be an application known as TextPlus. This is the TextPlus application. It has uh, a few ads, but according to me, it has the least ads compared to all of this. I mean, not all of this, but comparing with the TextNow, Second Line, TextMe, and Talkatone, this application has the least amount of ads. It's, the reason why they have the least amount of ads is because they have a scheme like you could earn credits by watching videos. As you can see, I have 2 credits right now. I earn the 2 credit by watching a rewarded video, but I'm not interested to watch videos and earn credits. So I just use a ad blocker VPN or something. Now the reason this application is in the second position is that it's not a entirely free application. I mean, you'd be able to obtain a free local phone number, but you'll not be able to make calls and text for free within the US and Canada. But the reason why I included this application is that you'd be able to easily make social media accounts such as WhatsApp and Telegram using this application. Okay, my WhatsApp account has been overtaken by someone else. It's because I was inactive in the TextPlus application. I would have to log in once again, but I don't care. The thing is that, as you can see, the messages. This is my WhatsApp. Now the thing is that you would have to stay active and you would have to enter. I mean, receive calls or text and make calls and text. Eventually, I mean, within a week, I guess. Yeah, it's the time period is a week. If you are inactive for a week, then your number is going to be given to someone else. Now, guys, are you actually ready to take a look at the best alternative of TextNow and the best application for virtual numbers for free? Are you ready to take a look at it? Huh? Okay, the application which tops the list in this video is the same application which topped the list in the previous video. Yeah, I'm not able to hear you guys, but still I can just guess your reactions. Yes, the application which stands at the first place once again is going to be Google Voice. Okay, the reason why this application is still in the first place is because yes, you will not be able to use this application outside the US and Canada. It's because of the law passed by the US government. But still, if you are within the US and Canada, this application is the best application, as they give you a free plan and they give you a free number, and the voice quality, right? If you would have spoken in, I mean, if you used many other applications such as TextNow, Talkatone, TextPlus, I mean, all of the other virtual numbers, you would understand the voice quality is like 10 times better in Google Voice, and you get all these amazing features. I'm not promoting any application here, but I'm just stating my experiences. You get a lot of features for free in the Google Voice application. Now, this application can be downloaded by visiting the voice.google.com URL. All you have to do is that click on this for personal use, and when you click this, you will be redirected to the Google Play Store for Google Voice. Once again, like I told before, this app is not available in my country, but still you will be able to install it. We have a lot of benefits in using Google Voice. First of all, it's from Google, so obviously it's going to be the best. But still, the reasons are it has the best slick user interface which I have ever seen. Just take a look at the user interface. I mean, it's the same as a normal user interface, but still, when compared to the other applications user interface, this application has the best user interface, best voice quality, best everything. Okay, so now I guess I cover the top 5 best alternatives for TextNow. If you guys enjoyed this video, just go click on the thumbs up button and the bell button, YouTube subscribe button, in order to receive the videos. I mean, I told just go click on thumbs up button and the subscribe button and the bell button, YouTube subscribe button, in order to receive my videos and support me. So guys, once again thanks for watching this video until the end. Let's meet again in tomorrow's video. Until then, it's me, Surya Prakash, signing off. Bye.